Tanisha here. I'm in love with chocolate dessert, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really good chocolate dessert at Zenzi. So let's go in there and check it out. Okay guys, let me introduce you to the chef who's going to help me make this fabulous dessert. Cyrus? Hi Cyrus. That's Cyrus. He's the chef at Zenzi, and he's going to help me make a really yummy, divine chocolate dessert.
The name of the dessert is hazelnut babarua. Now basically babarua is it's a light cream dessert.
So Cyrus, I am like absolutely crazy about cooking. Are you going to help me cook up something yummy and chocolatey?
Sure.
I'm a chocolate fan.
Yeah.
You know, it just does something to you.
Definitely.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Now, we're going to start with the hazelnut chocolate base. All right. This is the hazelnut chocolate base. You're going to put it in the dish. Yeah. Don't take this as a hygiene standard. Huh?
Okay. Yeah.
Now you can put it in the The mousse is the hazelnut and hazelnut liqueur cream mousse.
Oh my god.
We give one more layer of chocolate.
Oh my god. This is like the most simple fattening thing in the world.
Okay. Now we get this hazelnut powder fruity.
Oh, I love this. This is so
The
much
cocoa
fun.
powder. Voila. There.
Guys, look at it. Yum. Now I just want to eat it. I made this. I'm gonna go have some fun with chocolate.
So, how do you think mine is? This is what I made, this is what you made.
Mine is nicer because it has more chocolate.
More chocolate. Who's the better cook, you or your sister?
Definitely me. My sister can't boil water. I remember she used to wake me up in the middle of the night to make her chicken soup if she felt like it. So it's definitely me.
What type of cuisine do you like more?
I lived in Australia for a few years, so I'm really into modern Australian cuisine, which is basically a mixture of Asian vegetables and fruits and spices and Australian meats. I'm a huge fan of like sushi. I love Japanese food.